Hello, I'm the cat still, and today we're gonna play a game. Ha! No, crows? Yes, there you go, crows. Good. Now that the crows have had their say, welcome to Jotun. Last time, we explored lovely auroras, predicted all the constellations in the world to be stags, giant eagle crow monster tried to eat us in the branches of the big old tree. We created many more big old trees by, well, spreading the love of dandelions. Yes, it is a cult. And now we're going to fight a boss. Hello, little crows. Thanks for welcoming me every single time. But I have to go fight for my life. Good thing, last time we unlocked more power of 4, so we can hit better, and more healing, which means we'll hopefully die less. Not that I've died that many times yet, but let's hope it's one time less than otherwise. Opening a door, hitting both stones twice for good measure. Open the door to darkness in the void. Let's go through the door to darkness. But did you all know that the door to darkness is actually light? Pum pum pum. Ooh, it's pretty here. That's nice. Thanks, Mimir, for all the help and healing. Where does the water go? Yes, Mimir, you're my best friend, but where the hell does your water go? Like, you're a giant rock in a see-through platform. Like, previous area were in the clouds, and the clouds, technically, it would also be quite weird where the water is. Well, not really. The water would be in the clouds itself. But this time, Mimir, where the hell do you keep your water? My guy. This guy. Infinite pool of water. Stop. I know you're blinking and looking at me, but I'm just pointing out the obvious. You're a shady individual, my friend. Better watch out. Okay, boss fight time. Okay, we cannot go through this. There is... Oh, hello? Person? I don't know who you're supposed to be. Are you a lady? Are you a man? Let's hit this and see what you are up to. Okay, maybe strong attack. No? Odd indeed. I don't want to hit you just yet. Let me explore first. So, okay, there are I assume there are gonna be 4 of these pillars. Okay, 4 of these pillars. If they are anything like the constellations, they will shoot lightning between them. So, oh god. Hello. Yes. Oh boy. You're quite evil. Charge up. Okay. Hello, can you charge this up as well, please? Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you kindly. Hello, can you charge this up, please? Very nice of you. And what does this do? Ah, now I can hit him or her. Oh, use this. Hit it. Ah. Ooh, very neat. Yes. I know you're angry all the time. If you want to talk about personal issues, don't do that with me. Give me some lightning. Thank you. Shocking news. This guy is probably going to kill me. With lightning. Can you hit this? Would you kindly? Thank you. One more. This. Can you hit this? Yeah, that's an option. Oh, dodge this. Alright. Charge the attack. Use my Thor power. Charge up again. Hit him. Oh! Oh, you dodged that. How dare you? Feel the power of my hammer. Whack. Ah. Oh, wait. Did it charge two of them at the same time? I wonder. It did. Oh, that's lovely. You're falling right into my trap. All you're doing is weakening yourself. Because I'm just going to hit you. No. Ow! Feel the wrath of my hammer. Power. Hammer. Oh. Why did you go there? Hammer. Whack. Oh, wow. Okay, that's heal. Heal. Immortality. I'm taking way too much damage. Okay, let's keep immortality where it's at. Okay. It was pretty chill until a moment ago. But it all ended right here, right there. When she decided to just murder me. And not in a good way. I'm not sure if there is ever a good way for murder. Oh boy. Yes, I know you don't like me. Mortality. Everyone, target my distraction. Thank you. That's quite kind of you. Mighty kind. Oh, ow. Okay, no. Go fast. Hit it. Ow. Hit. Small hits. I don't have time for big hits. Small hits. Ow. No. I am one shot. One hit from death. No! I have failed to impress the gods yet again. Okay. Okay. So I can damage the boss when not all things are lit. So maybe the best plan of action is going to be to charge 3 of them and then hit the boss. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Charge 3 while it's pretty chill. And then once the fight gets more and more hectic, I'm going to activate them to get some, well, 3 damage. Hello. Can you activate this? Thank you. Final one before I'm going to start slapping the ever-loving shit out of you. Yes. Zap. Thank you. Ah yeah, I'll need to take care as to not... this... damage. Heal up a bit. Okay, slap, slap, dodge. Where are you off to now, friends? Okay, okay. Yeah, of course I didn't hit her. Or him. Touch, 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 touch. Yes, get out. Let's dance. We're dancing. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, why are you standing there? Why are you standing there? That's not kind of you. Okay, I'm gonna distract over here so I can do big damage all day, all night. Oh, I'm low HP. I didn't even notice. Okay, Chaos Phase. Give me some energy over here. Okay. That's charged. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Yes. No, 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 I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. Full speed ahead, no. Ah. Okay. Let's try that again. Third time's the charm. I believe it went better than last time. I just don't have to use that many of my resources that early. Then it will go way smoother. Maybe just, yeah, having all of them active at the beginning was a mistake. I'll just have to slowly get them active and not force them active. Like, if I can prevent it and slowly damage while, yes, yes, that's good. That's not a good place to be at, you know. Can you come to the middle? Yes, that's kind. Mighty kind of you. Mighty kind of you. That's also a good location since there is no lightning there yet. Now there is, but I do not mind because I can hit you freely for a bit. Okay, okay, I'll dodge this. Okay, just keep running. Dodge, hit, slow hits, slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. Yes, that was a mistake. Duly noted. Okay, I have the immortality that I can use for a couple of nice hits. Let's use it right now. Speed up, heal up, Is that heal up? Distraction? Ah, this is quite challenging. Oh, that's good. They hit each other. Huh. Ooh. 3 damage. Ooh. Ah, no, 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 no. Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? Okay, I'll have to deactivate this, go full force, because otherwise I'm dead for sure. Okay. Okay, full force. Ah no, why did you run? Get back, hammer, be in range. No! Go, 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 go. Just use your... Don't use that ability, please. No, no, no. Ah. Heck. It was close. Ish. That was unlucky. Well, just not skilled enough. Get good scrap. Let's try this again. Whack. Slap. Whack. No. Okay, I need to learn her pattern. Or his. Still don't know which gender it is. Watch. Aha! That was a risky move, but a worthwhile one. Okay, let's get out. Okay, I can hit you. Yes, that's good, that's good. Ah, that hurts. That wasn't kind of you. Can you come over here, please? Come over here, I will not kill you, I swear. Why did I heal? That was dumb. That was dumb. That's just big damage. Big damage. Offer some distraction. Continue the damage. Offer some distraction. Continue the damage. I can't see anything. What the hell is going on? Speed. Okay, okay. Can you activate this, please, for me? Thank you. I'll speed up so I can distract them both. Okay, will this charge it? Yes, that will definitely charge it. Okay, perfect. Stun them. Damage. Hit. Oh, no, okay. Oh, I got immortality for one. Okay. Activate it. Small hits. Small hit. Small hit. Yes, let's go. Whew. Weather the storm. I killed both of the storm people. I have impressed the gods. Ha! What an honor. Okay, that was a more challenging fight than I expected.
Að þeim örlagaríka bardaga loknum.
Fateful battle indeed.
Hlutverki mínu í stað föður míns. Ásamt áhöfn minni sigldi ég höfin og við héldum áfram að færa ættbálki okkar velmegun. Lífið gekk sinn vanagang þar til rán, gyðja sjávarins, leysti ógnarkraft sinn úr viðjum gegn okkur. Sökti skipi okkar og myrti okkur öll.
Alright.
Ég sá alltaf fyrir mér að ég myndi láta lífið í bardaga, verið síðan boðin velkomin til Valhallar af valkyrjum Óðins. Í dauða mínum hefur mér verið gefið annað tækifæri. Í ginnungagapi hef ég sigraði jafnana. Ég mun yfirbuga síðasta óvinnin og sanna mig enn og aftur. Ég heiti Þóra og ég mun ekki missa móðinn frammi fyrir tröllvöxnum óvinnum mínum. Ég mun endurheimta heiður minn. Ég mun ávinna mér hylli goðana.
That's the spirit, Thora. I will impress the gods. I will avenge my family and my own death and everyone in between. This looks interesting. Let's see what the next area brings us. Oh, how difficult. 2 choices, left or right. Whatever shall we do? We will enter the land of Ymir's blood.
Fyrsti þursinn, getinn af ginnungagapi. Líkami hans myndar jörðina.
Okay. This is a big area. This looks like quite a big area. Maybe before we continue to explore Ymir's blood, let's finish at that. It was an interesting boss fight. It was quite challenging. I believe it took me 4 or 5 attempts. That's the longest it took me yet. Maybe the first fight? No, the first boss was also 3 tries. Yeah, 3 attempts. So yeah, let's leave it at that. Thanks again for watching, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to hit the like, the subscribe button, smash up a comment below, smash up a like in someone's comment below, and reply to them saying how nice they are. And how happy you are that they commented as well. Just do whatever as long as it makes other people happy. Thank you all for watching, and bye!